High in Yakima was 96 and the overnight low was 62. No precipitation was recorded. Ellensburg had a high of 85 and a low of 63. Wenatchee 91 and 69. Moses Lake 93 and 63. Hanford 98 and 65. Tri-Cities 95 and 63. And the Dells had a high of 73 and a low of 61. Sunset tonight in Yakima is at 8:56 p.m. Sunrise Friday morning will be at 5:09 a.m. On this day, in 1968, a severe thunderstorm produced golf ball-sized hail and a tornado over Wallowa County. With a path between 8 and 10 miles long and nearly 2 miles wide, the tornado was one of the strongest tornadoes to ever occur in the Pacific Northwest. It destroyed approximately 1,800 acres of prime timber. Also on this date at Sanders in Texas, 8 inches of rain fell in 2 hours. The resulting flash flood with a wall of water 15 feet high killed 27 people.
This is NOAA weather in Pendleton, broadcasting from KIG 75 in Yakima. The current time is 6:50 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Wind advisory for the following area in Washington, Kittitas Valley. Wind advisory remains in effect until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Friday. Winds northwest at 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Timing: strong winds will continue through Friday evening, mainly peaking during the afternoon and evening hours. Impacts: gusty winds could impact driving conditions on the interstate. A wind advisory means that winds of 35 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. The forecast for the Yakima Valley, including Sunnyside and Yakima, for tonight: clear. Lows 53 to 58. Northwest wind 15 to 20 miles an hour, becoming west 5 to 10 miles an hour overnight. For Friday, sunny. Highs 80 to 85. Northwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. For Friday night, clear. Lows 47 to 52. Northwest wind 10 to 15 miles an hour. And for Saturday, sunny. Highs 77 to 82. West wind 5 to 10 miles an hour, shifting east in the afternoon. The forecast for the Kittitas Valley, including Ellensburg, wind advisory in effect until 9 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Friday. For tonight, clear. Very windy. Lows 55 to 60. Northwest wind 30 to 40 miles an hour, decreasing to 20 to 30 miles per hour overnight. For Friday, sunny, windy, not as warm. Highs 73 to 78. Northwest wind 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts to around 50 miles per hour. For Friday night, clear, windy. Lows 46 to 51. Northwest wind 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts to around 50 miles per hour, decreasing to 15 to 20 miles an hour overnight. And for Saturday, sunny. Highs 74 to 79. Northwest wind 15 to 20 miles an hour. The forecast for the east slopes of the Washington Cascades